Hello. Our presentation English B1. The key sentence means number 1. 1. Presentation. 2. The city of Ibagué. 3. Typical dishes from Ibagué. My name is Franceline Villarreal Tuna Rosa. I study psychology in the city of Ibagué. I'm chairman from Times Mason. I am person one likes to read, listen to music, know science. Mi city Ibagué. I city before has kindness or is air people hands. Harry celebrate the Colombia folklore where you can appreciate of the splendor of our expression and customs, also about the typical food tournaments. Typical meals. Is once the richest and varied. We have the tamal, the chocolate, pinde out meal, the windowware, outfits y sancocho criollo. Thank you.